Hey, welcome back, traders, to another monthly review of my progress and my trading journey. This is actually going to be a 2-month review because I missed uploading a video for May, and I just wanted to combine both months, May and June, here for your review. So if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and give me a like. Hopefully this information and me showing you the journey I'm going through to become more profitable as a futures trader will help you, and you'll find some good information in these videos. So please ensure you subscribe for more. And I also did a live video trading video stream a few weeks ago. I don't know if any viewers or subscribers here watched that, but if you did find that helpful or you want to see more, let me know. And if you want me to be more interactive, also let me know in the comments below here. Okay, so May and June, what happened? May was a struggle. It's kind of pretty much a grind. I did end up positive about $400 or so after fees. Positive expectancy of 0.96 ticks per contracts per trade, and yeah, it was kind of a grind. And then June came. The good thing is that the volatility was still there, and June came, and I started shifting towards improving my profit factor or risk to reward in June, and I think it works, especially when you're trading one contract. But the hard part of trading one contract is if you're trying to get a higher profit factor or risk to reward per trade, you come to the dilemma when you're in a trade of whether to take the profit when it's gone in your favor, or you trying to hold on for a larger target to get a better risk to reward per trade. And that's where I found myself not capturing my favorable excursion, or basically, when I'm positive in a trade, not taking what's on the table, leaving it on the table, and then trying to hit a larger target and only seeing it come back and take me out, or take my stop out, and then continuing on to my target, after it chops around or whatever the case is. So that's the hard part. I'm making a decision of whether to take profits or hold on to a trade and perhaps risk the favorable excursion that your trade has gone in your favor for you already. So I found that to be very difficult, and trading one contract, I think a lot of traders out there say trading one contract in futures is hard, and that's a function of your capital, your trading capital, your equity in your account, whether you're able to handle the risk of sizing up to another contracts or multiple contracts. So yeah, May was a struggle. June, I started increasing the profit factor. June, I ended up net P&L about $350, not much. I was up actually over 1,400 or so, and then the last few trading days, as you can see here, last few trading days have been really rough for me. My win rate, obviously my expectancy basically dropped off. Ended up with a 0.75 tick per contract per trade expectancy in the month of June. And yeah, it's overall it's been a struggle, but it's a slightly upward trend progress, as you can see, kind of up and down dips, large drops, and then kind of like a recovery, kind of slow grind up, and then the last 4-day trading days of June were hard. I did not have a good time, so that basically I gave back probably about 2/3 of my progress in June. So May and June up 750 or so net of fees. You can see my win rate here is just about 48%, which is not that high, but you can tell that because I improved my profit factor, ended up with 1.17 here for both months combined. you can see, like, if you have a positive risk to reward, like you have a good risk to reward that's not upside down, like you can make money. You can. um, and of course you just have to ensure that your data set or your sample size or your trades is, like, you have to think long term. Like, you can't make 20 trades and have a profit factor of 1.5 or even higher, or a really good win rate, and expect that to carry on forever. Like, I have 194 trades in these 2 months. So it's a good sample size, 48% win rate and 1.17. You can tell, like, yeah, okay, it's not like groundbreaking profits here, but again, like, trading, like I said, trading one contract is very difficult, especially at least for me, I find. So yeah, it's progress. It's very slow. The good thing is that the volatility in crude has still been decent. The movements, you're probably gonna get at least a dollar and change movement per day. There were a few days where the range was kind of small, but you learn to identify those kind of days and just be a little bit more careful. So going forward, July, I will be trading still. However, I may be trading sim, back to sim, looking to see if my edge can clear 2 contracts. I want to trade 2 contracts, but it'll be on sim, just basically due to my risk mitigation or management with my trading account. Like, I don't want to leverage 2 contracts and then not do well and then totally destroy my account before I can show that my edge can carry forward with 2 contracts. So yeah, I'm excited about that. The other item was that I may be doing a combine with a particular company here. You all probably know or may be familiar with them. So yeah, like, that'll allow me to trade multiple contracts without risking much. But then again, I'm thinking of just doing sim, since I have all the data and everything already. And if I can see in the next month that I'm doing okay with 2 contracts, then I probably will go start that combine. So yeah, one thing I want to point out as well is I have not made any errors in these 2 months, which I'm very happy about. So there haven't been errors. However, some trades were not the greatest rating. I do grade my trades out of 5, and kind of like over time, just want to see if I'm taking trades that are very low grades. Then I can tell that maybe there's something I need to change. So yeah, I'm very happy with the progress, although small. So stay tuned. Please, this is just a quick review video. Please hit subscribe, give me a like, leave any questions you have in the comment section, and let me know if you want me to start a live trade with me style type of stream. I don't know if I would do it daily, but if there's interest and you guys can learn something, we can trade together and take this journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.